would you play it safe and safe? But you know this, we got a love that is homeless.
What would happen? Obviously, it would hurt a ton. But when I do that, I feel nothing. Because my brain doesn't know what pain is. And since it doesn't know what it is, it can't. My dad took me to the hospital. X-rays revealed that I had multiple fractures in both legs. I had to stay in bed for 3 months with huge casts. You might imagine that it would be really nice to never feel pain, but don't be jealous of me. This is definitely not a good thing. It's super dangerous to live without pain. Let me give you a few examples. Say you're at a restaurant. The waiter brings you a delicious pizza. You immediately take a huge bite. But the pizza is too hot because it just came out of the oven. What do? You wait until it cools down a little. If you don't, you'll burn your mouth. And that's exactly my problem. No matter how hot the pizza is, my mouth doesn't hurt. I keep eating the scalding hot pizza. Inevitably, I get deep burns inside my mouth. However, I don't feel any of them. I still end up hurting myself. I mean, my body. As you can see, pain is actually our guardian angel. It keeps us from hurting ourselves. Pain is also our teacher. It teaches us how to go about doing physical activities without hurting our bodies. And it starts teaching us when we're children. I'll give you another example. You're riding your bike at the playground. You don't realize
Stop mo na.
Frisbee.
With selflessness and dedication to our country. Long lecture. To our dear frontliners, mabuhay po kayo. Wishful message from your Wish 175 family.
Wish Time is 3:14. This time check is brought to you by CDO San Marino. Masarapin ang love with San Marino. Hello?
Baby,
Here to me. That was fast. Just like the speed of 5G on our most flexible plan ever. The G Plan. Experience 5G today. Visit globe.com.ph/5G now. 5G available in select areas only. Promo runs from April 1 to August 31, 2021. For DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTEB 115849. Launch the on
Wish mo, ito ang get up and go, high in protein and natural fiber, low in fat and sugar, kaya perfect energy booster.